Thanks for following One Little Honda Shop. We're continuing with the plastic repair on the 85 CRX fender. I'm going to be using different plastic welding rods here at different points because I want to see how they hold up during sanding and with the refinishing, and then I'll redo this fender when I'm done. I just want to see which one of these work better. This plastic here is actually older spreaders that I've used before. They melt pretty good, and they're good for forming and shaping, doing a lot of the pieces on this, and they're cheap. You use these after a while, they're no good for spreading Bondo anymore. So let's get started on this. I'm going to start off with the piece from the spreader, and I'm going to apply it the same way I did this piece here. I believe this is ABS plastic here. The CRX fenders are about 90% ABS plastic from what I've been reading on all the different forums. I don't know that for sure yet. So what I'm doing here is I melt down a bit of a valley in there so that I can fill it back up, and I get that weld. Similar when you're welding metal, you want to have good penetration all the way through. And I don't know how this is going to melt in here. Works pretty good as a cutting these pieces and using adhesive to apply them. We'll see how that tacks up. This one's a little harder to feed in. This is the pure ABS rod. From what I've been reading, this is very hard to get it to hold. We'll find out. Really got to have a fan going in the background. I want to blow this away from me. You don't want to breathing this in. Well, we'll let that sit up, and then I'll come back and block this and see what it looks like.